Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix video color using the color grade feature on CapCut's mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project on my CapCut and I'm going to fix the color of this video. First thing first guys, we can go to the filter option at the bottom right here. Just click on the filter and you have to choose the adjust category and scroll all the way to the right until you find the HSL feature. We're going to use this filter to fix the video color. Okay, and there are some colors we can customize. We can customize the hue, the saturation, and the lightness. And I'm going to select the blue color because I want to make my video more blue. I'm going to increase the saturation of this blue color, the light blue, and for the hue as well, and for the lightness just a little bit. Okay, and for the green color, I'm going to make my video, or I want to make the green color of my video looks more vibrant. So I'm just going to increase it around 60, and for the lightness as well around 20. And for the hue, just a little bit. Okay, now it's done, and this is the final result. And I'm going to show you the before and after, guys. This is after I fixed the color, and this is before I fix the color, and you can see the difference, right? Alright guys, and that's how we can fix video color on CapCut using the color grade feature. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.